Welcome to our first update on the Enksail line. My name is Lobke van Enkhuizen and today I'm going to show you something a lot of people have asked us about. What are the biggest differences regarding the interior layout between hull number 2 and the first Enksail Orion that we've built? The Enksail Orion is a custom-built yacht. Every owner makes their own choices regarding layout, materials, technical systems, which means no Orion will ever be the same. Today we're going to compare hull number 2 with the first Enksail Orion, better known as the Distant Shores boat. Distant Shores already sailed 17,000 nautical miles with the boat in 1 year. So let's step on board and I'll show you how the second Orion is taking shape and why she's so different from hull number 1. Here we are in the cockpit. We've now entered the outfitting phase and that's the moment that a yacht really comes alive. Here we are in the deck house. It's still quite empty, but here will be the sofa with a nice 360 view. And here will be the helm station with chart table. Here below you will have the first guest cabin with 2 bunk beds. If you look along the frames, you'll see the insulation. The entire boat is insulated from the floor up, and all windows around the deck house are double glazed. That makes a huge difference in comfort when cruising colder areas. And besides that, aluminum yachts are much better isolated compared to other yachts. Let's go down. Here on port side, you will have the first toilet and shower. On the first Enksail Orion, we had here the galley. So this is one of the biggest layout differences. We are now in the starboard guest cabin, just below the sofa in the pilot house. Regarding the layout, it's quite similar compared to the first Enksail Orion. I'd like to show you a nice detail of the woodwork. All the frames are made out of massive wood and the wall paneling is veneer, which is also an advantage regarding the weight of the boat. Here on the port side you will have a saloon with an L-shaped sofa, with as much storage space above the sofa as possible. Another nice detail is the fact that we built the interior in such a way that you will have maximum access to the installation behind all the woodwork. More about the installation in another episode. Here you will have the galley, with of course a gimbaled stove. We are using one of GNS Space on board of this yacht. On the first Enksail Orion, so the Distant Shores boat, we had a Dickinson heater here with a lot of cabinets around. Of course here you will have a lot of storage space as well. Another nice thing to mention is the special cabinet that we are building here, specifically for wet sail clothing. Let's go to the owner's cabin now. Here we are in the owner's cabin. The owner's cabin will have a big king-size bed with a length of more than 200 centimeters. A lot of storage space. Here you will have a cabinet. There you will have various cabinets. And under the bed you will find the bow thruster and the self-contained airco unit. More about that in another video. This owner's cabin also has its own toilet and shower. The toilet is a composting model, which fits the regulations here in the Netherlands. The carpenter started 3 weeks ago with installing the carpentry on board. You might notice how quickly everything seems to be progressing. and that's because the entire interior was pre-built in a full-scale mock-up. We milled all the frames in a one-on-one model and built the interior there first. This shortens the build time enormously, because otherwise you could only start after the installation is sprayed. These were the biggest differences in layout between hull number 1 and hull number 2. There is still a lot to tell you about this boat, regarding for example installation and rigging. But for now, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and please follow us for more. Thank you, bye bye!